We're going into the bird park. Look. What kind of birds are those? There's the Shahzan going on. Look at that birdie. Is that a parrot? Oh my god, are you a parrot? Oh, I'm scared of you, parrot. Oh my god. I'm drinking some water. Oh my god.
Look at that.
What bird is that? Oh, it came on my hand. It came on my hand. It came inside over there. On my finger, holding the camera. Some little birdies. Oh my god. Stay away. It's a nice place really for little kids and adults as well to come and see all the different types of birds. And inshallah, hope anyone who loves birds is able to come and visit this in Medina.